Hey guys, so I'm not trying to sell you guys anything. This is not a partnership with anyone. This is just literally me with too much time on my hands, and I'm getting ready to go to the Independent Spirit Awards, and I'm gonna do my own makeup, and I thought this would be a great opportunity to do an eye tutorial to show you guys how to achieve the fox eye. Anyway, so we'll begin with skin. I don't like putting makeup directly onto my skin. So I'm going to use this active serum as a barrier. Just put that like everywhere. It burns a little bit, but it gives your skin a really, really nice glow. That'll kind of just leave you feeling like dewy. When that is dry, I usually do like a lot of other things, but I'm not going to sit here and waste your guys' time. Okay, so for my skin, I'm going to use this Luminous Silk Foundation, Giorgio Armani. Makes really beautiful foundation. And yes, I'm putting it on directly with my fingers because it's really not that serious. Oh, okay. I promise I'm gonna look bomb when I'm done. So now that that is on, I'm gonna go in a little bit, like right there. It really is like painting. It's art. Fuck anyone that says differently. Then I'm gonna do just a little, this right here. I don't do a ton of contouring, I just very little. This is Westman Atelier, which I really like. It's kind of like a bronzer stick. And then I'm just gonna go in like that and just do a little definition, not too much. And then after that, I'm going to, I love this stuff right here. It's by this brand called O. And it's this like clear, it's blush by the glass. And it looks clear, look, it's on my nail, but then you put it on. I don't know if you can see it. It's very light pink. I already have rosacea, so I don't really go too much with the blush, because then why not just a little highlighter there. Okay, fab. What else? Okay, eyebrows. I don't do too much. I prefer skinny brows. They're just like hotter. And I like to go in at the top really lightly. And then with this side of the brush, just like blend it in on my skinny ass brows. Okay. It's hard to do it in the phone mirror. Okay. Yeah, it's fine. Okay. Then, I'm gonna do my lips. I'm gonna start with a little liner. And I'm gonna go for like a nude lip. So I'm just gonna line there. And then a little there. Honestly, I'm gonna look so bomb when this is done. So, okay, then I'm just gonna put chapstick over it. I'm going for just a stain. Okay, now the fucking hard part. Or you know what? Actually, let me do a little bit more skin. I'm just gonna go in with my Charlotte Tilbury bronzer palette. And with the lighter one, just kind of go in there, and there. And with the darker, we're gonna do the double chin area, line the jaw. Maybe a hit there a little bit again, why not? Okay. Okay, let's get down to business. Why you all came here. Okay, so I'm using my Pat McGrath palette, this new palette she sent me that I'm fucking obsessed with. Like, look at these colors. Okay. Now, what's very important with the fox eye is that you really want to follow the shape of your own brow. And then I'm gonna make it I'm gonna go like that. I might have to go in with the pencil to make this a little sharper, but like, tutorial's over. I'm done. No, I'm just kidding. I didn't get this far for nothing. That's why you should always do the eye before skin. But I just didn't want to be like this close to my face without any makeup on. Anyway, back to the eye. We'll fix the skin later. Who cares? Okay, and now we want this to start right at the tip. I'm gonna track this one out a little bit to make it more severe. And then this, I'm gonna make it start a little bit there. This is a total flop. Also, be prepared to do this a lot when you're doing big graphic makeup like this. You know, it's really all about symmetry. Okay, so now that I have my shape, I just want to go in and make it a little more defined. Do you guys hear Tyler Henry in the background? Tyler, if you're hearing this, Please invite me on your show. I have more dead friends than anyone. Okay. Other eye now. Sorry, this video is so long and boring. I'm like so concentrated right now. Don't fuck this up. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with makeup remover. Okay, now let me just fix my eyes. Okay, and just a little mascara. I'm not gonna wear too much mascara because I get emotional at award shows and I'm probably gonna start crying. I do want to darken my little freckle here. There you go. There we go. Okay guys, this is it. What do you think? Also, this is what I'm gonna do with my hair. So, I love my armband. I love it. I think it's fierce. I don't give a fuck what the haters say.